Alright, this is the Honda Odyssey. I am going to show you how to control the air conditioning and heating system. First, you're going to make sure that your car is on, and once your car is on, you are going to first press the on button for the air conditioning and heating. So you press that. You've turned it on, alright? So now that you have to turn it on, a whole bunch of features are showing up in there. It's kind of confusing, but if you just watch this video, it should help you a lot, okay? So this right here, we're going to start with this button right here. This right here, if you control it, turn it to clockwise or counterclockwise, that controls how fast the fan is blowing the air, regardless if it's cold or not. Okay, so that's that one. Now we're going to go over to this side right here. This controls the temperature. Okay, so the further you push it to the right, the hotter it is. The further you push it to the left or counterclockwise, it gets cold, as you can see right there. Okay, so that's how you control that right there. Now, say you want the air conditioning on. We're going to get to that, but first we're going to talk about how to recirculate the air. So if you press this right here, this icon right here, it lights up, and that shows that the air is being recirculated in the vehicle and it's not coming from outside. I usually turn this on if I'm on a dusty road or something, or if I want maximum air conditioning or maximum heat in the vehicle, I'll press this right there. So we're going to go ahead and turn that off for right now. And then we're going to come over in here. Now, we talked about air conditioning control. So say, for instance, you wanted cold air, you can turn it all the way to the left. And that's just cool, but that doesn't necessarily turn on the air conditioning. You turn on the AC to where it uses the actual function to cool your air. You have to press this button right here. That's the air conditioning button. Okay, so now the AC has been activated. All right, so that's how the cooling and heating. We're going to go to like how the fan blows. Okay, there's options right here. Okay, this is the option of face and foot mode right here. You press that, it shows you. And as I press that, it toggles in between where the air is blowing. From right there, it's blowing on the face and feet. Now just face. Now the feet and defroster. Okay, the defrost, if you want to defrost the windshield, make sure that icon right there is lit up for defrosting the windshield. Okay, so we went through all of those. Now we have these right here. You have these control right here. This is for max AC. Now when you press that, the AC button comes on and this lights up for max AC because it's recirculating the cold air and making it as cold as possibly can. All right, now we also have the defrost modes, right? There are these right here. This defrost, if you press that, it automatically switches on to defrost the windshield. And right here, you press that, and now it defrosts the rear glass window. All right, so hold on, we're not done yet. We still have some more functions. Now to control the rear part of the air conditioning, you have icons right here. This right here is for the rear heater and rear heating and cooling right here. These buttons right here, it says rear, and this right here turns the fan on. Okay, so the fan's on. I'm able to control the fan for the rear like this. Once this is on, I can increase the air blowing through the rear vents or decrease it, and this controls where the air is blowing in the rear. So that's how you control the air conditioning unit and heating unit. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.